Welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. Again I am in front of you with new video today here. So earlier we have seen the types of numbers, that is what are odd numbers, what are even numbers, what are natural numbers, what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. These types of numbers we have seen. Now in this video we are seeing classification of numbers in more detail, some more numbers in more detail. Now here, for example, I am taking now natural numbers. What are natural numbers? So again, I am defining natural numbers in different way. Too. Now when I come to your house, for example, I am coming to your house. I don't know how many members are there in your family. So by seeing all the members, what I should do? Now I should count the numbers. Mother, father, brother, sister and so on. Like that. Number of members I should count. So what I am doing here? I am counting the members in your family. So that I will come to conclusion that in your family you are having 4 members, for example 5 members in a family, 6 members and so on. So here what I am doing? I am counting. What I am counting? Numbers I am counting. So numbers will count start from 1, not from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All these counting numbers are called natural numbers. So, in this way, we can define natural numbers. In simple definition, we can say that what are natural numbers now? The counting numbers are called natural numbers. So, here, the natural numbers starts from 1. Why? Because we are counting the number from 1. So, natural numbers starts from 1. So, 1 is also called as least natural number. Or, instead of least, we can use other word, that is smallest natural number. Now, in the spelling natural, first letter N is given to represent set of natural numbers. So, natural number set starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So, there is no end of the numbers. So, we cannot find out what is the last natural number. Why? Because after 9 I will get 10, 2-digit number. If I write 1 after 10, 101, the number becomes 101. Like that, digits are keep on increasing. So, if you increase the digits place, you will get continuation of numbers. So, in this way, we can conclude that there is no end of last number. That is, last natural number cannot be defined. So, starting number is 1. We can say that 1 is the least natural number. In the same way, one more number, that is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? We will see now. What are whole numbers? In the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All these are natural numbers. So, specialization of 0, already we have seen. 0 is called hero of numbers. That is playing very important role here also again. So, if I include 0 in the family of natural numbers, number starts from 0 here. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The name of the family changes from natural numbers to whole numbers. So, in whole numbers starts from 0 and natural number starts from 1. 1 is called least natural number, whereas 0 is called least whole number or smallest whole number. In the same way, we cannot find out the largest whole number. Smallest we can find, but we cannot find largest whole number. In the same way, whole spelling WHOLE, first letter W is given to represent whole numbers. So, whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In this way, we can define natural numbers and whole numbers. One more important number we are seeing now after natural numbers and whole numbers. Again, I am giving small definition. Please check. Natural numbers are nothing but the counting numbers. So, we define the counting numbers are called natural numbers, whereas the set of natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. set of natural numbers. Why I am taking set of natural numbers? Because I am having numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. From 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. They are called as natural numbers. In that set of natural numbers, if I include the letter that is number 0, that becomes whole numbers. So whole number starts from 0, natural number starts from 1. Here we are having both numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. What is the speciality of positive numbers and negative numbers? We will see now. So positive, we know the meaning of positive, that is plus, or negative means minus. We are having numbers plus and minus. So we know number line. So I am drawing number line. So in number line, middle we will have 0. So right side of 0 I am writing some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So in this way on the number line we have seen how to mark the numbers on the number line. So here right side of 0 are called positive numbers. Right side of 0 are called positive numbers, whereas left side of 0 are called negative numbers. Positive numbers and negative numbers. Right side of 0 are called positive numbers. Left side of 0 are called negative numbers. So I am talking about numbers only here. Now from this again I am want to tell one more definition of other classification of number. So what we are getting the new number? We have seen now natural and whole. From natural numbers and whole numbers combination, by taking positive numbers and negative numbers, I am bringing one more number to you. Now on this number line, we are having positive numbers, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on. Again I am having negative numbers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there and 0 is also there. So I am mixing all these numbers together. When I mix positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0, then I will get new numbers, that is nothing but integers. The name of the numbers is integers. Now I am giving very simple definition of integers. Integers are nothing but the set of numbers which contains positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0 are called integers. Now in the word integers, first letter is I, but I am representing integer set with Z. Integers are nothing but they are represented by letter Z, not with I. Why? We will see now. I is already given for mentioning imaginary numbers. In further videos we will be getting what are imaginary numbers also. But up to this, now in integers, first letter I already given for imaginary numbers. So in this number line, integers, we are having one speciality. Now set of numbers, that is 0 is there, positive, negative values are also there. So in this way, we can define integers, that is the set which contains positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0 are called integers. Now why I am representing with Z? I want to tell you a small example. Except 0. Except 0. Here 0 where we will not write minus 0 or plus 0. We are not using positive or negative sign for the number 0. Except this 0. Whatever numbers we take. So right side of 0 or plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 10, plus 1000, plus lakhs, plus minus. Everything we use for numbers. Minus 1 and plus 1. Plus 2, minus 2 and so on. Like that. For 0. Except this 0. 0 we are writing only 0. That's why I kept it separately. 0 is neither negative number nor positive number. So for whenever we are representing the number 0, we should not write plus or minus in front of 0. Why? Because 0 is neither positive number nor negative number. So the word 0, from the word 0, Z-E-R-O, 0. First letter Z has been given to represent integers. This is the meaning of integers. Integers are represented by the letter Z. Why? Because in the integers we are having speciality of 0. 0 is playing very important role here again. So right side of 0 positive, left side of 0 negative numbers. 0 is exactly in the middle of positive and negative. 0 is neither positive number nor negative number. That is why from the word 0, Z, first letter Z is given to represent integers. Again, we are having some properties of these integers. So here all positive numbers or all positive integers are greater than 0. All positive integers are greater than 0. Whereas all negative integers are less than 0. Why? If I take 0 and 5, which is greater? 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. I will say now. Why? 5 is positive integers. For 0 is less than 5. Whereas if I take minus 1 and 0. So minus this 9 minus 1 is less than 0. So negative integers are less than 0. Positive integers are greater than 0. Now I can say that 5 is greater than 0 and here 0 is greater than minus 1. In this way we can define the properties. All positive integers are greater than 0 whereas all negative integers are less than 0. Again, all negative integers are less than positive integers. All positive integers are greater than negative integers. In this way, we can define the numbers. Now we have seen natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Now in this integers family, we are having all natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers and whole numbers are there in integers. Now integers can be written as, in this integer set we are having natural numbers and also whole numbers. Natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we can say that all natural numbers and whole numbers are present in integers. In this way we can classify different types of numbers. So in this video you came to know up to what is the topic of integers. So further classification of numbers we will go in detail in our next video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make very important concept of mathematics from each and every student from KG level to PG level. Thank you one and all.